Hello dear friends and students of English literature. We are going to talk about the prologue to the Canterbury Tales by Chaucer in this video, and let me tell you that this video was demanded by one of my subscribers and a student of English literature from the Nogong College, Nogong Girls College I think. So I don't know till what extent I will be able to satisfy her needs, but I will try to keep it as simple as possible and as generalistic as possible, not as specialistic. So here we go. This is the first major work in English language and of English subject, because Chaucer has written it in East Midland dialect, and what is the English language is but the developed form of that English East Midland dialect. And what is the Canterbury Tales is a group of tales put together by Chaucer himself. So Chaucer in this Canterbury Tales do not tell the tales by himself, but he makes his characters tell the tales. But what is more important is that the is not the tales themselves, but what is important is the prologue to the tales, that is the introduction to the tales, or to the whole plane that the Chaucer has made, or Chaucer has tried to present in his Canterbury Tales. So the prologue or the introduction is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, it is important for the language that has been used in it, and secondly, the style that Chaucer has employed in the prologue. What makes it even more important is that is the fact that Chaucer has presented a rather realistic picture of his times, because he has intelligently chosen a pilgrimage for the plane of telling his stories, because it is a religious event, and people from all the spheres of the society take part in it, uh, and that is true for the times that Chaucer has written, and even today it holds its truth. So he has tried to portray his characters with all their marvels and traits. He has portrayed their positive side as well as their negative sides or the shortcomings. So thank you for watching this, and there are some other things to talk about in this regard, but we will talk about those things in the later parts to come. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe the channel if you liked it. Thank you.